time, space, gender. There are no rules anymore. All boundaries are breaking down in the wake of the infinite future. The only thing that remains are the things that have stood the test of time. Love, values, and of course, the pyramids. The strongest shape ever constructed. A shape that fits all other shapes inside of it.
No, it's true.
This is the future because this is the past. I've been through a lot of issues in my life. I've seen unemployment. I've been in a relationship that tore my heart apart without ever being able to accept that love drove the pain. When I was 10 years old, my parents took me to Disney World. I cried the whole time. I was not able to comprehend the beauty that was before me. I just wanted to go home. This is what the pyramid will do for you. It is the bridge to the world. It has the USB port. Wireless will be available in 2013. You can play anything, from Chuck to Cars 2. With the pyramid, you have the connection to everything, in time and space.
Saber, it's time to come home.
All right. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow.